In today's tutorial, we will discuss how we can use wget and curl commands efficiently. After watching this video, you will be able to download and install packages from the internet using terminal only. As you know, downloading your application using your browser and installing it through graphical interface consumes a lot of time. To avoid such situations, wget and the curl are two commands that can be used for downloading and sending data. So now let's start with the wget command first. Wget is the command line utility for downloading files from the web. With wget, you can download files using HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP protocols. Let's get into details to see how wget command works. So press Ctrl, Alt and T to open your terminal. After opening your terminal, you have to check whether the wget command is installed or not in your operating system. For that, execute sudo wget hyphen and capital V. It is asking for password. Enter your password and hit enter. Here you can see the wget utility is already installed in my system. In case if wget utility is not found in your system, you can run sudo apt install wget to install the wget utility in your system. Once it is installed, let's start using it by downloading the package using wget command. As I am going to install TeamViewer in my Ubuntu. For that, I will have to download the dev file of TeamViewer. To download any file using the wget, you must have the URL of that specific file. As the dev file of TeamViewer is available on the official website of TeamViewer, so let's open your browser and search TeamViewer. Click on the official website of TeamViewer. In the home page, here you can see the download for free button. Click on it and it will take you to the download page, as it will automatically detect your operating system and show you the different Linux distros. As I am using Ubuntu 64-bit, I will right click and copy the link. If I left click on this, it will just start the download in the browser, which will kill the purpose of learning wget command for Linux users. So I am going to provide the link directly to wget command like this, wget, and paste the link. And here you can see the downloading is started, as it will take a while, and here it is downloaded successfully. Type ls to list down all files and directories, and here you can see the TeamViewer dev file. Now if you want to install the downloaded package, you can simply execute the command sudo dpkg -- install and file name ./te and press tab. As the package starts installing, let's abort this and move ahead. To fully utilize the wget command, you can write wget -help, and here you can see it will list down all available options which you can use according to your preferences. You can find the syntax along with the options too, as you are not only limited to download the .dev packages or applications, you can download files, pages, or any downloadable content using these commands. So now let's jump toward the curl command. Curl stands for client URL. It is a command line tool and remote utility used to send and receive data with the help of different protocols such as HTTPS, HTTP, SFTP, and SMP, and FTP, and many others. Like you can also fetch the information from web using curl command. So here we are going to use curl command for only receiving the data remotely. Let's get into this by installing the curl command first. For that, you need to type sudo apt install curl, and this will install this utility. And the curl utility has been installed successfully. Now you can use the curl command to download any application, file or any downloadable item. To download something, you have to type curl and the URL of the application or file. This time I am going to fetch the header of a website using curl command. For that I am going to execute curl -i and the URL of the website and press enter. As curl command provides vast functionality, you can type curl -help, and here it will list down all available options with the syntax. Here again you can use the options according to your preferences. So this was our today's tutorial in which you have learned how to use wget and curl command.